Hello, my name is Vaidotas, and today I'll show you how to make a photography website using our AI-powered Hostinger website builder. Whether you enjoy taking pictures as a side hustle or a full-time career, creating a photography website is a must. It's like having a digital portfolio accessible 24/7, boosting your chances of getting new clients for photo shoot sessions. In addition, a website enables you to monetize your hobby and passion by selling stock images or photography courses. In this video, I'll show you how to make a photography website from scratch with our AI-powered website builder. All you have to do is answer 3 simple questions, and our smart algorithms will create a website based on your input. Thanks to its drag-and-drop editor, you can easily customize all the website elements to your liking. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide, you need to buy a hosting plan first. Go to hostinger.com/website-builder, scroll down to the pricing table and click Add to Cart. At the checkout screen, go ahead and select a subscription period. I recommend going with the 48-month plan. It'll save you money in the long run and lets you focus on growing your photography business without worrying about hosting renewals. Then, create a new Hostinger account or log into your existing one and pick a payment method. Fill in your personal information and apply our coupon code for an additional discount. Click Submit Secure Payment and complete all the necessary steps to finish your registration process. Once you've successfully secured your hosting plan, you will gain access to our custom control panel called HPanel. From there, navigate to Websites and click Create or Migrate a Website. Choose Portfolio as the website type and select Create a New Website. Pick Hostinger Builder with AI as your platform and connect your domain name. You can register a brand new domain with Hostinger or use an existing one. It's also possible to try Hostinger Website Builder first and choose a domain name later. Either way, you will be redirected to Hostinger Website Builder's welcome screen. Click Create with AI to generate your photography website in 3 steps. First things first, enter your brand or website name. Our AI builder will automatically generate a wordmark logo based on your brand name if it's shorter than 20 characters, including spaces. If your business name is longer than 20 characters, a generic logo will be created instead. But there's no need to overthink this for now. You can always change your logo later with our AI logo maker. The next step is to choose a website type yet again. You will find 5 different options, each with a unique layout, but since you're building a photography site, let's stick with portfolio. After that, describe your project in a few sentences. Do you offer a professional photography service for weddings, birthdays, and company outings? Or perhaps you're just a hobbyist who enjoys taking and sharing nature photos. Whatever your venture is, be as clear as possible. The more detailed you are, the better our AI can tailor a website to match your preference. To guide you in providing a vivid description, we've integrated a prompt quality indicator right below the input box. A red alert suggests adding more depth to your description, while green indicates you're on the right track. On top of that, our AI generates content aligned with the language of your input. So, if your description is in French, the content will also be in French. Once done, click Create a Website and wait a few moments as our AI builder generates your portfolio website. And congratulations, the initial design of your site is now ready. At the bottom of the page, you can easily choose one of the 3 available templates, choose a font and color combination, as well as add new pages and elements. I'll show you how to customize your site further in the following section. To make your website visually appealing, customize it based on the following factors. The color scheme you choose should represent your brand and your photography style. For instance, light pastel colors better suit a wedding photographer, while a wildlife photographer may opt for more earthy tones. Fortunately, our intuitive editor makes it easy to change the color scheme of your website to fit your style perfectly. To customize your website's background, go to your intended section, click Edit Section, and select Background. Then, choose Section Color, pick a base color, and adjust it to your preferences. If you want to edit the color of your heading or paragraph, click the text element, select Edit Text, and choose Text Color. Branding is all about communicating your identity to the audience through eye-catching visuals and captivating copy. With Hostinger Website Builder, you can create a unique logo, choose a typography that reflects your brand's personality, and generate copy that persuades readers to take action. For logo creation, go to AI Tools and select Logo Maker. From the Logo Maker interface, describe the ideal logo and click Start Creating. Choose the one you find most visually appealing and change its font, icon, and layout. Once you're happy with the final result, download the desired logo files. Now, head back to the website editor. Go to the header section, then click Edit Header, select Logo, click Replace Image, and upload your new logo image. To change the typography, navigate to Website Styles on the left menu. Under Text, pick any of the available fonts and click Edit Text Styles. Here you can adjust the fonts of your headings and paragraphs across the entire site. Besides fonts, the content of your text is equally important. While your site already comes with AI-generated content, you can tweak it to better match your brand. To do that, click any text element and choose AI Assistant. Then describe what content you need and click Generate Text. Your website's layout significantly impacts how visitors interact with your content. A clean and intuitive design can help users find information quickly and efficiently, resulting in a better browsing experience. Our AI Builder enables you to arrange different sections and decide the order in which they appear. Simply click and hold any elements such as text and pictures to adjust their positions accordingly. It's also easy to simply drag and drop new elements such as call to action buttons, social icons, and image galleries. Not sure where to place those elements? Our AI heat map will help you predict which areas of your website might resonate with your audience the most. This way you can place call to actions more strategically, resulting in higher clicks and conversions. Moreover, you can manage the site's navigation menu by going to Pages and Navigation. Here you can add new pages, delete existing ones, or hide them from the menu. Speaking of pages, the About page is crucial to let potential clients know more about you, while the Contact page makes it easier for them to send a query. Fortunately, Hostinger AI Builder creates both pages automatically, saving you time and effort. If you want to sell stock images, creating a pricing page is also simple. To do that, click Add Page from the Pages and Navigation section and choose Online Store. Next, click Online Store from the left sidebar and press Manage Products. Before uploading new products, set up your online store by entering a store name, selecting your country and currency, and clicking Continue. Once you access the Store Manager interface, click Add Products and pick Digital. Fill in your product details and save the changes. Check out our video for a more in-depth guide on customizing your website with Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're happy with the overall design, it's time to add the most crucial element for a photography website, your photo portfolio. To create a portfolio page, return to Pages and Navigation and click Add Page. This time around, select New Empty Page. Fill in the page name as Portfolio and hit Save. Press Add Section, select Gallery and choose one of the gallery options. Click the placeholder element, then Edit Gallery to tweak the gallery settings. Under General, you can choose a layout, edit items per row, and adjust the gap between pictures. On the Animation tab, there are 3 different animations you can choose. For faster page performance, however, I recommend sticking to no animation. To upload your photos, click the Manage Gallery icon, then Add Images and upload files. Before proceeding, check your file's name, type, and resolution. Use a high-resolution raster format like JPEG or PNG to ensure superior image quality. Your file name should also be clear and descriptive. Avoid numbers and symbols so your image can get indexed faster. After uploading a picture, click Details and add alt text to help Google understand your page content better. Before publishing your site, hit the preview button in the top right corner of your screen. You can see how it'll look on desktop and mobile screens and make necessary adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good, press Go Live to launch your photography website. Now you'll need to secure a great sounding domain name. This way, your site will look more professional and prospective clients can find it easier. Not sure how to choose the right domain name? Check out our video tutorial. You can find the link in the description below. To secure a domain name, press Connect Domain and you'll be redirected back to hPanel. From there, buy a new domain name with Hostinger or use an existing domain you've purchased elsewhere. If you prefer registering a new domain, enter your desired name and click Search. Choose one of the available options, press Buy Now, and follow the remaining instructions. And that's it. Your website is now live and running. Start promoting it on your social media accounts and creating SEO-friendly blog posts to grow your audience. If you like what you learned in this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more videos about website optimization and development like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.